What's up, everybody? This is John Paul from Vacation Angel. This is a quick tutorial on how to sync your Vacation Angel pages with your Beds24 Channel Manager. So you're going to log in first to your Vacation Angel page, and you're going to go to the property that you want to sync. Then you're going to go to My Listings. That's how you're going to find the property you're looking for, and then it will populate the listings. For this example, I'm going to use the A-frame cottage on Branningham Lake. You're going to go to Edit Property, and then when you're on Edit Property, you're going to go to Calendar on the Settings page. From there, you're going to go below the calendar, and you're going to see your iCal for Vacation Angel. You're going to copy the iCal, and then from there you're going to go to Beds24, and this is where you're going to sync it up. You're going to go to your channel manager. You're going to go to your channel manager page, and then you're going to click iCal Import, and this is where you're going to paste the iCal you just took from Vacation Angel. You're going to click Save. Now first you're going to set modifications allowed, bookings notification only. That's all you need. Import. End date is checkout, and then you're going to click Save. So now you're importing your Vacation Angel details into your Beds24 Channel Manager, but this is only for the calendar. It's not changing any other details. It's just going to update your availability and the book out dates. Once that's saved, you're going to now go to iCal Export in Beds24, and you're going to copy the iCal at the top here, and on the Export tab you're going to click Bookings and Unavailable Dates. So it's going to take all the bookings and unavailable dates in Beds24, and now it's going to transfer all of this. You're going to click Save. And now you're going to go back to your Vacation Angel feed, and here you're going to name it Beds24 or whatever you want to call it. And this is where you're going to put the URL, the iCal. You're going to click Add New Feed, and there it is. You're done. Click Finish, and now your calendars are synced. Now if we go to Beds24, be able to see in our calendar for the A-frame, everything is blocked. See, now you see the Vacation Angel booking showing that those dates are blocked. So that's how you know it's synced. And if you have dates that are already in your iCal, it's a good idea to go to your Vacation Angel page, go to your property, check the calendar, and make sure that it's also blocking the dates. You can just go to the property listing by clicking here, and if you scroll down to the calendar, you see the blocked dates. Now we already blocked the dates in Vacation Angel in this example, so the ones that were in Vacation Angel went to Beds24. There were no dates in Beds24 that needed to come into here, but if you have some that you're aware of when you sync this, it's a good idea to check to make sure that the ones in Beds24 sync to Vacation Angel. When and if they do, then you know that everything is synced up properly, and from there on, the calendars will sync. Hopefully this was helpful. If you need anything or have any questions, just reach out to me and I'll help you out there.